Hi guys, today we are going to disassemble this vacuum cleaner and see what parts we can use in our art or in our daily lives. Well, so far so good. I already have two items that I can use. One of them is the sponge to clean my found objects. The other one, I'll probably use it in a sculpture. And make sure to follow my Instagram so that you see what I create with it. Well, here I'm trying to retrieve a switch, and currently I'm working on table lamps, and this I'm going to save some little coins on it because it's one of the most important parts when you're making a lamp. And finally, guys, you can put together the shell after you've taken out everything that is inside and screw it in so that you have a compact shell, and then you replace the dust container, and this becomes a toy that you can give to your kid. If you don't have a kid, then give it to your neighbor's kid, because we don't want to throw away anything. And if any of the above is not possible, then you can use it as your toy, a grown man's toy. So let's recap what we managed to salvage. A sculptural item, a sponge that you can use to wash items, springs and screws, copper, electric wire, interesting found objects for the sculpture, and a switch.